How to log into your Spotify account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can log into your Spotify account. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. You can either log into your Spotify account on the Spotify web, or you can do it on the Spotify application. If you want to do it on either ways, you can simply go ahead and open up either the web or the application, and there enter in your login credentials on the login page, and you'll be able to log in. In case you forgot your credential, you can choose the reset password option. Now if your account is connected to the email account, then you can simply tap on the option that says login with Google, and then select the particular Google account that your account is connected to in order to log in. Now I'm not able to show it right here because the screen will turn black or blank on the login page, so all you have to do is go ahead, and if you don't know the password, you can simply tap on reset password option below the login option and then reset your password as well. So this way you can log into your Spotify account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.